Good morning, students. Today we are going to derive an important equation in chemistry, Henderson equation derivation. The pH of an acid pepper can be calculated from the dissociation constant of weak acid and the concentrations of the acid and the salt used in the pepper. Right? Okay. The dissociation expression of an weak acid is given as follow. HA on dissociation forms H plus and A minus. Okay. Now we are going to write the dissociation constant for this ionization. Ka is equal to concentration of the H plus into concentration of the A minus divided by concentration of the HA. Okay, this is the equation number 1. In writing the equilibrium constant, always written the concentration of the product in the numerator and the concentration of the reactor in the denominator. Okay, then now I am going to find out the value of H plus. H plus is equal to this is going upward and IA going to downward. Therefore, Ka into HA divided by the concentration of A minus. Okay, this is the equation number 2. Okay, then it's well known that the weak acid used in the buffer is slightly dissociated into ions. Okay, and its dissociation is further depressed by the addition of the salt containing common ion. Okay, containing common ion. Okay, due to that, the concentration of the acid is equal to the concentration of HA and also concentration of the salt used in the buffer is equal to the A minus. Okay, now substitute these two values in the equation number 2. Then becomes H plus is equal to the Ka into concentration of HA, that is equal to acid. Okay, then divided by the concentration of the A minus, that is equal to concentration of the salt. Okay, this is the equation number 3. Okay. Now we are going to take the 10 based logarithm on both sides. Taking 10 based log on both sides. So it will give log base 10 h plus is equal to log Ka into concentration of the acid divided by concentration of the salt into square bracket. Okay, this is a equation number 4. Now I am going to erase these sides. Now let us consider equation number 4. In the equation number 4, it is in the form of log base 10 m into n is equal to the log base 10 m plus log base 10 n. Here K is equal to m and n is equal to the acid base salt. Okay, it becomes log base 10 concentration of the H plus is equal to, here it's also equal to log 10 log base 10 Ka plus log base 10 concentration of the acid divided with the concentration of the salt. Okay, this is the equation number 5. Now equation number 5 is fully multiplied by the minus. Then equation number 5 into minus, then it becomes minus log base 10 H plus equal to minus log base 10 Ka minus log base 10 acid and it with the salt. Okay, let's learn that minus log base 10 H plus is equal to pH. Similarly, minus log base 10 Ka is equal to pKa. Okay, now substitute these two values in these sides. Okay, then it becomes, now I am going to erase these sides. Now substitute these two values in above equation, then it becomes pH is equal to pKa minus log base 10 concentration of the acid divided by concentration of the salt. Okay, this is equation number 6. Then the term concentration of acid divided by concentration of the salt is equal to concentration of salt divided by concentration of the acid whole power minus 1. Then now you are going to guess how it is possible. Then now I am going to take this term concentration of salt divided by the concentration of the acid whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 by concentration of the salt divided by the concentration of the acid, then it is equal to 1 into on reverse multiplication concentration of the acid and concentration of the salt. So it's equal to concentration of acid and concentration of the salt. Okay, if you reverse the numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator, then it will get the negative power. So substitute this value in the equation number 6 here, then becomes pH is equal to pKa minus log base 10 bracket concentration of the salt divided by the concentration of the acid whole power minus 1. Okay, this is the equation number 7. So in the 7, in the log form it come here, therefore it becomes pH is equal to pKa plus log base 10 concentration of the salt divided by the concentration of the acid. So this is a famous Henderson equation. By using this equation we can find out the pH of the any acidic buffer easily. Here K is a dissociation constant of the weak acid and square bracket of salt is equal to the concentration of the salt used and square bracket of the acid is equal to the concentration of the acid used. Okay student, watch it, use it and thank you and subscribe to the channel.